how I was taught to work, to give your everything and not just settle down on any mediocrity, on any average or chal jayega attitude. After a point of time, it was very uncomfortable to bear Munna on my soul because he's such a dark and a deep and a emotionally volatile and a hurtful soul.
हाय गाइस, दिस इज अंकिता। you're tuned into ppmoon.com एंड मुझे हाथ जोड़ के प्रणाम करना चाहिए क्योंकि मुन्ना त्रिपाठी जी हमें ऐसे ब्लेस करने के लिए भी फीड पर आए हैं। बहुत एकदम भौकाल मचा रखा है आपने, हर जगह पूरा वीकेंड सॉर्ट कर दिया आपने। मतलब did you imagine the baby? Not even one point did you even have a flicker of doubt that this will blow up everything, probably the most talked about web series of the year.
I know. Thank you so much for the lovely things you said in the beginning. Thank you. With folded hands to you as well. And yeah, man, it's just मैं वही बात बोलता हूँ that it's beyond comprehension what people how they loved Mirzapur and where it has reached, and it's it's smashing, it's overwhelming, it's out of the park, all the big words one can use. It's just mind-numbingly beautiful.
Devendra, you think that this was that one particular show which actually changed the ball game for you in the truest sense? You have been around for a long time, but this season one and season two combined has suddenly put the actor out in you, I think, in the biggest spotlight ever.
Yeah. Uh, I was also, Ankita, I sacrificed a lot to reach where I have reached today. I have said no to a lot of things because when you start with something like a Panchnama, which was a big hit, then you have your second film with Mr. David Dhawan, Chashme Baddoor, a even bigger hit. So people tend to offer you that same kind of work. They offer you a lot of money as well. But yeah, that call you have to take, whether you want to cash in on that or what is your inner hunger as an artist. If you feel comfortable doing the same thing, okay, go ahead and do it. But I wasn't. So it was a phase where I was successful. I was getting offers left, right, and center of films, good money, everything, good positioning. But I was not happy with it because uh, I would have cheated myself as an actor then. So I did sacrifice a lot, said no to a lot of projects, a lot of opportunities, pretty big ones. Uh, but yeah, I was waiting for something like Mirzapur to happen, and I truly and firmly believe that it is that sacrifice, all those years of hard work, all those years of pain, where you feel that I am so much more than what people think I am. I just need an opportunity to prove myself, and I think all the energies came together. They had to answer me. They had to heal my soul. They gave me Munna as a present. वरना बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा था आई थिंक वो स्वर्ग लोक ऊपर हिलने विलने लगा होगा तो वैसा वाला सीन था so yeah, I just feel truly blessed and thankful.
Mirzapur has a stellar cast. There is no doubt that the slew of actors which it includes is amazing. But again, I have to repeat, when the reviews spelled it out, and by I finished in one going, like it was a straight 9-hour run for me. So my
Whoa, wow, dude.
it has to be because I was curious, hone kya wala hai. But
Mhm.
when the reviews came out, I think one thing which actually I found common in every single review, irrespective how someone liked it or not, was we know the star cast of the show is the star of the show as well, like the script, and but everyone was like something about this Munna Tripathi. Where was this guy? Why were we not able to find him before? And one
Mhm.
of the best compliments, I think, which I forget whom I read it from, maybe some comment. They compared you to Game of Thrones, the Mad King Joffrey Lannister, and like that's
Wow.
I'm going to take your take on that. Like, what was the method to madness for Munna?
Yeah, it was I don't take it easy at all. I put in a lot of effort in what I do, and I just I honestly, I work like a crazy man. I don't get a good night's sleep if I have an unanswered question about a character. What will I do next morning on the shoot? If I can't crack a character, I'm the most unhappy person to be around. You know, I'm not a good happy soul. Otherwise I am. But it's it is how I work. This is how I was taught to work, to give your everything and not just settle down on any mediocrity or any average or chal jayega attitude, unless and until it has to be solid, rock solid, sealed pad. You have to feel that you have ticked every column. Uh, you have filled in every empty space which has to be filled when you make a character. So yes, I practice a lot, and like they say, if you bleed less on the field if you practice more in the net. You know, so I firmly believe that. I believe in preparation. I don't believe in taking shortcuts. I don't believe कि set पे कल देखेंगे कैसे होगा. Even if it is a promotional thing ना, मुझे अगर कल जाके कुछ बोलना है promotion के लिए और अगर मेरे पास वो है, so I can't stop myself to look at it and कि अच्छा एक बार बोल के prepare कर लेता हूँ मैं कैसे बोलूँगा. So it's a obsessive compulsive disorder in acting I suffer with. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I'm telling you, it's pretty bad, and it's not a happy space to be in because I can't sleep here at night. Then I get very uncomfortable if tomorrow I have to perform a special scene, and if I feel I'm not prepared, how will I do it? No matter what I do, I suffer, and it just, yeah, I feel very funny that it's been so many years. मैं अभी तक ऐसे क्यों behave करता हूँ? मतलब मैं
So can I simply say that you actually took Munna home with you? You took this character home with you for God knows how many years. That it
yeah,
stayed with you.
every single day he was on my back, and which after a point of time it was very uncomfortable to bear Munna on my soul because he's such a dark and a deep and a emotionally volatile and a hurtful soul that he's always hurtful. You know, he's a troubled soul. To have someone like that inside you, it's it changes you as a person to an extent. You want to breathe easy, but this thing inside you doesn't let you breathe easy. You try to distract yourself with things which should be done by every actor. Uh, but yeah, it stays inside, and you don't know where will it go, how will it go, where it is now, if it's hiding somewhere else. If you only think it चला गया, चला शायद अंदर ही है कहीं. But when you get love and appreciation from people, no, it works like a balm, you know, on it, and you feel happy.
Dipendu, like Munna, as you have said, it's a troubled character. There's a dark side to it. I won't say he's completely dark because he's misunderstood as well. He
Right.
does try. He does try to impress his father, his peers, his
Yeah.
wife even. But there's always something off. Did you ever empathize with the character, or did you always just judged it like the way it was presented to you? And empathy, which even because I'm asking, no spoilers to be given, whatever the end of season 2 was, there was tears were shed. People were upset, like, no. So do you think that there is a certain empathy to it? There is a certain humane side to Munna, which you bought or which was on paper, but you developed it further?
No, I definitely empathize with Munna as a person, as a soul, but I don't agree with the kind of expression he has to express himself. That's when I feel that, you know, he needs guidance, he needs love. He उसको कसूर नहीं है यार. He was born in a family where, you know, guns and, you know, drugs and everything was talked on everyday basis in a very casual manner. Even in the first season also, if you see ninth episode, when he goes for the wedding, his father only sends him कि ये लो मेरी gun भी लो और जाके करो. So I always felt such that he's so unfortunate that his father only is asking him कि जाओ और जाके ये चीज करो. So how can you blame someone like that? एक तो वैसे ही he always tries to impress him, looks out for that validation from his father, and when his father says something, he immediately becomes like a puppy and he says ke, okay, if this makes you feel happy, I'll go kill people. And when you see someone like that from outside, it breaks your heart. It
Yeah,
truly breaks your heart that, oh my god, you want his love so much that you are just ready to go kill the love of your life. Sweetie, he goes and kills her in this whole madness, and this whole thing is only because his father once said कि जाओ तुम करो, तुम पे भरोसा है, and he goes. Man, I feel so bad for this guy that it's just someone needs to go hold him, give him a tight hug and tell him कि listen, ऐसे नहीं होता है, there are other ways to deal with life also. So yeah, definitely I feel for Munna. It was very important to make him humane. अदरवाइज बहुत कार्डबोर्ड फिगर बन जाता. सीजन 1 में मैं बोलूंगा मेरी मेहनत ज्यादा थी. सीजन 2 में मैं बोलूंगा राइटर्स की और शो क्रिएटर्स की मेहनत ज्यादा है उसको उतना वो दिखाने के लिए, इतना ह्यूमन दिखाने के लिए. तो आई वाज वेरी वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ सीजन 2 कि जो इतना डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ मुन्ना है एज अ लविंग हस्बैंड, caring
that was a
husband.
shock. That was a shock.
Yeah,
I'm telling you,
I know.
that was a pleasant shock.
And it was so difficult for me to now decide on सुर कि ये करेगा कैसे. ये मतलब ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता that he suddenly becomes this whole different person. He has to be मुन्ना. इसको इन फीलिंग्स का पता तो है नहीं कि कैसे बोला जाता है, कैसे एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है, करेगा कैसे. So it was a very tricky ground to be at, but yeah,
Like,
fortunately.
I should not be saying it, but I can't help myself. This is this bedroom scene with when you and Isha have a confrontation that you are out
Yeah.
in the night. Like, that was the point. I think Munna changes somewhere the track that, listen, I'm being honest with you, but I am somewhere deep down the dark one. I
Yeah.
can't help it. But I'm
Yeah.
trying. I'm trying to be at least honest.
Yeah. And he feels for her. He tells Bina also, okay, whatever पापा ने जो भी ये जो एक पॉलिटिकल बेनिफिट के लिए जो करा है मेरे साथ, आई फील वेरी सैड फॉर माधुरी दैट सिर्फ मैं ही सफर नहीं कर रहा हूँ, वो लड़की भी सफर कर रही है इस वजह से. एंड सी होता क्या है ना, जब माधुरी सामने इसके आई तो पहली बार मुन्ना ने अपने से ज्यादा वल्नरेबल इंसान को ही देखा. एंड देन दिस हॉरिबल इंसिडेंट हैपेंस विद हर फादर एज वेल. एंड he saw so he saw himself in her, that how I was always in this kind of pain. तो मेरे सामने अगर कोई है, now you had two options कि या तो अब मैं बोलूं कि मैंने सहा है तुम भी सहो, I like that, या फिर ये करूं कि मैंने सहा है मैं तुम्हें नहीं सहने दूंगा, because and I chose the second path as an actor also for my preparation, that he would want to go and just be out there for her. पता नहीं कैसे करना है, but he would be inside के यार मैंने बहुत सहा है ये कि when you lose someone you love, मुझे पता है कैसा होता है, क्योंकि मुन्ना जिससे भी प्यार करता है वो छीन लिया जाता है उससे उसकी लाइफ में, चाहे दोस्त हो, प्यार हो, जो भी हो. So he's always a loner. So he just makes sure कि I'll be with you, whatever, how I don't know, but I'll just be with you.
They were abundant of memes. They were abundant of jokes, but the best part was that someone wrote कि क्या दिव्येंदु अपनी लाइंस खुद लिखते हैं क्या, उन्होंने ये लाइंस खुद बोली, because that भोसड़ी वाले चचा became an icon by overnight. I think it's by far one of the most well done scenes. इरशाद कीजिए.
It was lovely, and the fact that we all love that scene so much, that how it starts with a certain kind of a sur, because Munna has this with Chacha, शादी में आप मिले थे, आपसे एक इंटरेक्शन हुआ था, and he feels कि यार तुमको तो मैंने कुछ हर्ट भी नहीं किया, कुछ मारा भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं किया, आपको तो बल्कि बोला कि आप साइड में बैठ जाइए वरना आपको चोट लग जाएगी. This is how you're responding to my kindness. This is wrong, right? In Munna's world, this is wrong. That when I was nice to you, why are you doing this to me? So उनसे एक सुर पे शुरू होता है, फिर वो बोलना शुरू करते हैं. He finds it very exciting because ये कुछ कर नहीं सकता ना, he's a this darkness inside him attracts these sort of a thing. So when he goes on saying those things, तुम्हारे वाले, तुम्हारे ये और वो, he gets very excited, like wow, this is ये तो है मेरे अंदर का मामला ये. But when he says something about his nana, he gets tripped. And this is what Munna for you, because he thinks so much from the heart, and mom has always been such a vacuum in his life के नहीं है. इधर इसके मम्मी के बारे में मत कहना, नाना के बारे में, मम्मी बहुत decent family से थी हमारी. So it's got so many shades. वो छोटा सा scene, it's man.
Lovely scene. And lastly, Devendra, because we are running short on time, there are immense theories about season 3. I chatted with Ali, Pankaj a couple of days back. They all are very hopeful that a season 3 comes. And trust me, the theories about you coming back in the show are, I think, one of the best gold I have read on internet. How do you respond to the fans, the love, and if there is ever an opportunity, I don't know how, to do a season 3, do you think that, however impossible it may sound, but you will be able to fit in?
I know, it has to be like a Jon Snow moment where he comes back to life. It's that. And मुन्ना ने तो पहले ही बोल दिया है, हम अमर हैं वे. So he cannot go anywhere. Yeah, man, it's like you said, it's so much. How does one respond to so much love and affection when people give you? You just try to take it all in. It just it feeds you as an artist so much. This is that potent serum you want as an artist. This has so much potency. You just feel happier, you feel thankful, you feel blessed. And मैं सच बता रहा हूँ यार, मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें लाइफ पे दाव पे रखी थी, ये कुछ ऐसा मुन्ना जैसा करने के लिए. अगर ये नहीं होता तो मेरा बहुत दिल टूट जाता as an actor. But this kind of thing comes in my life, and people reacting in a certain way, such a big validation of that. Yes, if people think that you are mad as an actor, that if they think that you don't understand how the business runs, or तुम मना कर रहे हो चीजों को, it's okay. If you feel a certain way, you feel a certain way. If your intentions are honest, it will pay. It will pay you. So I'm just
चलिए, मैं
very
आपको
happy.
जाते जाते एक बहुत अच्छे एनेक्डोट के साथ छोड़ रही हूँ. The best thing I read on internet for you was मुन्ना और माधुरी के जो बेटे होंगे ना, वो देवेंदु वापस आएंगे और भौकाल करेंगे और मिर्जापुर 18 साल बाद ले लेंगे. मैं बहुत बढ़िया, देवेंदु को जरूर बताया जाएगा कि आप वापस आ रहे, हमें नहीं पता था, आपको पता होगा तो हमें बताइएगा जरूर.
आई नो, ये थ्योरी बहुत ज्यादा चल रही है कि वापस तो आना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मुन्ना का जो बेटा होगा वो मुन्ना बन सकता है. सो इट्स टोटली डूएबल. And I
We
think
are
हमारी फिल्में
conspiring.
देख
I think we are giving a signals to Amazon, to Mirzapur team. Please सुनिए.
नहीं यार, इतना साल हमारी फिल्में देख देख के इतना सस्पेंशन ऑफ डिसबिलीव आ चुका है हमारी ऑडियंसेस में, दैट दे आर टेलिंग द फिल्म मेकर्स के वी आर रेडी फॉर इट. Go to that exaggerated extent, we are ready to take it. It's
वो
lovely.
तैयार है. But thank you, Devendu. This has been amazing as an audience and as a viewer and someone who's interviewing you. It's so good to see you back in form, and I just hope that it turns out. I'm hoping for Mirzapur 3. I won't lie, so keeping my fingers crossed. मुझे बेटा मंजूर है यहाँ पे. I think we'll do the channelizing of emojis for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being such a lovely host you are. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All the best.